What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock and the overall market. And I'm telling you guys, the party is just getting started. The market is about to heat up. We are entering a lower interest rate environment, potentially 2 rate cuts inside of 2025, an additional 3 to 5 rate cuts in 2026. What should you be doing right now? Should you be backing off? Should you be selling? I believe now is the time to continue to be aggressive. What am I doing personally? For those of you that have been following me, you know exactly what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to take big profits off of my leap options on SoFi and diversify those profits into more and more companies that are discounted right now that are going to have extremely strong 2026s and 2027s. I'm diversifying the portfolio out further. I'm watching a lot of YouTubers right now that are trying to compress their portfolio. I believe you need to be expanding your portfolio into as many sectors as possible. Crypto, AI, fintech, energy, everything across the board. And that's exactly what I'm doing inside of my VIP Patreon group right now, where I'm beating 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street in a 1 year and also in a 3 year. Nobody is beating my returns right now using this strategy. I'm not buying any high risk short-term gambling options. I'm putting you guys in sophisticated options that are going to allow you to beat the market with time regardless of the macro news. And we also diversified into 10 other stocks. You're going to get those exact picks inside of the VIP Patreon group, exact dollar cost average that I'm inside of those 10 other investments. And we're going to continue to look for opportunities for you each and every single week when they arrive. This is going to allow you to see significant returns inside of the market. If you want to go with indexes, go ahead. 15% returns, call it a day. Do your thing. But if you're under the age of, 55 and you still want to see massive upside in your portfolio, this is the time to get inside of a group like this with the VIP Patreon group. We are going to get your money right, guys. I'm telling you right now, you're going to be getting the exact moves that I'm making each and every single week. And of course, you guys know it. SoFi is going to be leading the way because this bad boy is just getting started. We are about to enter the S&P 500. Growth is accelerating faster and the company's profit margins are expanding. This is the cream of the crop stock right now, and my confidence couldn't be higher after that Q2 earnings. Q3 and Q4 are going to be monster quarters. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We got a great video for you today. Let's get into it. And this is exactly what we're doing inside of the VIP Patreon group, guys. I'm up 662% on the 1 year. I'm up about 375% on the 3 year, beating 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street. Zero high risk options. I'm not going to put you guys inside of those high risk plays. That was years ago, guys. We're light years past those days. We're not the type of retail investors to get, wiped out. We're going to be dominating these institutions and these short sellers. These guys are not going to be able to stop us with this strategy. We got 10 stocks for you guys right now, diversified portfolio. We continue to take profits, expanding them into other high quality names that are trading at a discount. These are stocks that have massive upside and are discounted to the entire sector. Join the Patreon group right now. Do whatever you want with the profits. Go buy a Lambo, go buy a mansion, send your kids to Harvard, send your guys to Ivy League. I don't care. You're going to be rolling in profits in this lower interest rate environment. We're going to get your money right. I'm telling you guys, this bull market has legs. Take a look at what the Magnificent Seven just did. 6 of the 7 companies just absolutely crushed earnings. Companies are stronger than ever, about to enter lower interest rates where growth is going to fuel even faster. Why is this the time to be backing down? Companies are going to be dominating this back half of 2025. Now, guys, take a look at this. I got these leap options right here. I've been holding these for a little bit. $25 calls. They're up 484% as of the close today. But guess what? I just bought fresh new leap call options inside of the VIP Patreon group yesterday with you guys. Okay, I'm entering the exact same calls. So I'm starting from zero with you guys. And I'm putting up, a significant amount of my money, a couple $1,000. So I'm trying to ride this wave with you guys once again, entering new leap options. And this is what we're trying to get to again. Okay, look, we bought these for $1.13. These are trading at $6.60 on the market right now, and I'm not dumping these until we break all-time highs in the $30 to $40 range. 484%. No, I'm going for the short's throat. I'm going for the heart. we're going to hit the 10x on this play. Some of you guys in the group got in on this play with me early on, but we just entered fresh new call options. I got 3 leap options in there for you guys right now with the different risk tolerance, and I got the leap options that I just purchased in there, just yesterday. So as soon as you guys sign up for the VIP Patreon, you're going to get those as well. Now take a look at this, guys. I said yesterday, unlike Nvidia, after the Nvidia earnings where SoFi hit $20.50, I put out a buy alert before the close. I said, unlike Nvidia, we don't have any China drama, holding our, numbers back. I said, buy the dip. And that's exactly what we did at the end of the day, guys. We bought those leap options. We got in. The market was selling off SoFi pretty aggressively, down 3% on the day. And look at that, guys. Boom, just like that, back over $26. We just went from $24.50 to $26. And that's what I'm going to do for you guys inside the group. I'm going to give you guys those opportunity. We're going to make the moves. We're going to trust our gut. And that's exactly what we did. Those leap options are up 18% right now. One trading day, you just beat the S&P 500 in a very, very safe option. One simple leap option can beat the S&P 500 index, 15% year returns in one trading day. And we're up about 17% right now. And every single person is in this trade with me. And the reason why I entered this trade with you guys is because I believe SoFi is going to capitalize on this lower interest rate environment as soon as Q3 and Q4. And we're going to see numbers start to pick up. We're going to see guidance go up. And these are going to be printing lots and lots of dollars. And we're going to be smoking the S&P 500 once again. I'm telling you guys, each and every quarter, the haters are getting more and more quiet. They're going into their bear hibernation status. I'm telling you right now, a monster is coming. A monster is building for a company like SoFi. Look at the Q2 numbers. 44% growth, net income up 458%, diluted EPS up 700%, net profit margin expanding up 288%. This story is just beginning. This is going to be a company that shreds through the S&P 500 once they get in like a Swiss Army knife, just making their way up to the top 100, top 50. Already right now, we're trading in the top 300 companies inside of the S&P 500. If we were in there right now, going off of our market cap, about $31 billion. Remember, guys, when the story changes, accept it. And I accept it. I finally accept it. That SoFi is going to be the winner and dominate in this back half of 2025 and the beginning of 2026. Take a look at the quarter-over-quarter revenue growth. One of the most important metrics that I like to watch. SoFi up $86 million over a 90-day period. Robinhood up $62 million. Hems down $42 million. When the story changes, you have to follow, and I followed it. I followed SoFi. I followed the lower interest rate cuts, and I built out a more aggressive position, and that is allowing me to beat 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street. And here it is, guys. This is the VIP Patreon group. You're going to get all my instant access trades, all my buy alerts, 10 other stocks that I'm diversifying into, fresh leap options that we just entered. And I said, guys, take a look. Fresh leaps up 16% already, insane. That's beating the S&P 500 1 year, 365 days, 16% returns on the SPY. Boom. 1 day and a high quality, longer term leap option. You can beat an index, guys. This is the time to get aggressive. I'm telling you right now, we're entering a lower interest rate environment. We're going to see volatility around lower interest rates, of course, when the cut happens. But understand, once it gets absorbed, I'm telling you, we might see a delayed reaction all the way to the moon. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. And we're going to continue to diversify out of SoFi into other high quality names so that we have lower risk tolerance when we have a market correction. And we're going to be giving you guys all the buying opportunities on high quality names instantly. You're going to get the buy alerts immediately inside of the VIP Patreon group. If you follow the strategy, you can see we're about to clear 700% 1 year returns, beating 99% of institutions and hedge funds on Wall Street. We're going to allow you to absolutely destroy the S&P 500. Sign up for the VIP Patreon group. You will not regret it. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.